Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dani. Welcome back to the Coral channel. If you're looking for a super trendy way to light up any space, then these DIY Marquee decor lights are gonna be dope. They're very easy to make and fun to personalize for any space in your home. And guys, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, share the love, and turn on the bell notifications because we have more amazing DIY projects coming your way. You can find the full DIY tutorial on the Coral blog and I've listed it below. All right, let's get into the DIY. So the first step is we're gonna take our stencil and I'm gonna cut it out. These stencils can be found on the Coral blog and are absolutely free to download. We also have a trendy pineapple if you'd like to make that instead. They're super great. Download them, print them. Now take your Pine Shop shelving board. Mine was 12 by 36 that I cut down to size, and I'm just going to trace it out using a pencil. Next step, we're using a drill, so make sure you have your safety glasses. To make it easier to cut out your shape using your jigsaw, I'm first taking a 3/8 drill bit and I'm gonna drill in the tight corners. This will make your cuts a lot easier. So using your jigsaw, we're just gonna cut it out. Now it's time to map out where you want your lights to go. You'll want to make sure not to mark too close to the edge so that you don't split the wood when you're drilling. Try to mark about 1 inch from the edge as a safeguard. Once you're happy with where your marks are, fasten your board to a table with a scrap piece of wood underneath. The scrap wood is going to help any unnecessary blowout from your drill bit. Take your small 1/8 drill bit and drill all the holes. You'll want the good side of your board facing down. Once your holes are completed, take your larger 732 drill bit and drill the holes through again. This way it's clean and large enough to fit your lights. Now these are the drill bit sizes that work for my lights, but make sure you check yours for whatever lights you're using on your project. It's time to sand. Sand your entire project to your liking. I'm using an Orbiter sander with an 80 grit sandpaper. This is a part where you can have a little bit of fun, you can round the edges. The point of this is to make sure that the finished project is nice and smooth. And to get into all those small sections in between the arms where my sander can't get, I'm actually using a Dremel and a small sanding arm so that I can smooth it out. All right, so you basically have your light. You could stop there, add your lights, and you'd be done, but I like to add a little color, so that's what I'm doing. I wanted to keep some of that wood grain showing through, so I'm actually using a colored stain as my base. If you don't have any colored wood stains, here's a tip. Just take any acrylic paint, add 2 part water, 1 part paint into a cup, mix it up so it's nice and watery. What this is gonna do is just thin out the paint so that it goes on nice and thin and you'll still see that wood grain come through. Now let it dry. All right, so now that this is dry, what I wanna do is add a little detail using watercolor. So I just have my watercolor palette here, which is really dirty. I'm like kind of embarrassed. Anyways, I'm getting a little bit of water. Start at the top. What I love about the watercolor is that it still allows the wood grain to show through just the same way that the paint stain did. Okay, we got a cactus. She's got some spikes. Oh my God, I'm so cute. All right, so let's light this baby up. So I'm going to face this down. We're gonna bring in our lights. And now we just need to figure out where they're all gonna go. So this set has a set of 20 on it, which is why I did 20 holes. So what I'm doing is now I'm just gonna add some glue to secure. I'm taking the battery pack. I don't want it to be on the ground. I want it to be attached to my piece. I could glue gun it, but I don't want to melt the plastic, so I'm actually just going to do 2 small little holes. Now my batteries can go back in. And then voila! Now all you have to do is light it up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this project as much as I do. It's so cute. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and I'll catch you guys later. It's a DIY project. You're so cute. You're Subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up because it's so cute.